In this video, I will show you how to log in Twitter account using single-use backup codes, which are also called as emergency codes for two-factor authentication on Twitter. I will be discussing how you can generate new backup codes for Twitter when you used up the old ones. Use these codes in emergency only and always generate new codes when you used up the old ones. If you have generated a backup code for your Twitter account, then it's really great. But if you didn't, then you can generate those two-step verification codes now. Open the Twitter app on the phone and click on 3-bar hamburger icon at the top left corner. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now, on the Settings and Privacy page, click on Account option. You will see Login and Security heading on the Accounts page. Scroll down a little bit and click on Security option. The security page of Twitter will open now. There are two options here. The first one is two-factor authentication and the second one is password reset protection. Tap on two-factor authentication. Now there are multiple options here like text message, authentication app and security key. Scroll down a little bit and click on backup code, which is located just below the additional methods. Here you will see 12-digit single-use backup codes for Twitter. These can be used as a two-step verification method for logging in Twitter account. You can copy these codes to clipboard and paste it wherever you like, or take a screenshot of it and save it in Google Drive, or write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. These codes only to be used in case of emergency when the other authentication methods are not available. So it is very important that you store these codes at a very safe place. You can also generate new ones. In order to do that, click on Generate New Backup Code. This will generate new backup codes which will help us to recover the Twitter account. Now let's test this. I'm logging out of my Twitter account and it's done. I'm entering the username and password. As you can see, a new page is opened here which says enter your backup code. If the mobile screen does not show this page, then do not worry. Below the login page, there is an option which says choose a different two-factor authentication method. Click on it. Here you will see different two-step verification methods that have been enabled for Twitter account. For example, text message, security key, backup code and authentication app. Click on backup codes option. Now in the new page, you can see the option enter your backup code. Now copy the 12-digit single-use backup codes and paste it within a box which says enter authentication code. After that, click on login. As you can see, we are successfully logged in into the Twitter account. Now I have to generate the single-use backup codes. So follow the previous steps and come back to the backup codes option. Click on generate new codes. Now store these codes in a safe place. So this was the quick introduction of using backup codes on Twitter for two-step verification. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.